This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to Pack 7 of the Fast and Furious 143rd mini car collection. In this pack, we are looking at these four cars. The we've got the Jensen Interceptor, the Mazda RX7. I'm familiar with that name. I know that name. The Chevrolet Camaro. I'm aware of that. And the Plymouth Roadrunner. I've heard of that. I've also heard of a different Roadrunner, but I'm pretty sure that's not the one that we're talking about. So yes, we'll have a look through all of those magazines. But as well as the cars, there was a free gift in this packet. We have another shirt. Always say yes to a t-shirt. You can't go wrong when there's a free shirt, can you? Lots of mugs and things are always good, but shirts get more use than anything else. So let's get it out of the packet. Let's have a quick look at it. It's obviously white, which is unusual in these things. They tend to be black or dark colours, but it's nice to mix up my wardrobe a little bit. We have the Fast and Furious logo on there, obviously with the words. And that's it. But yeah, quite nice. It's got the speed blurring sort of thing on there. They didn't ask me my size. They've sent one out that's a size, so I'm sure it'll fit. Even if it's it's not going to be too small for me, so it'll be fine. So yeah, there we go. That is the free gift. Let's clear things out the way, and we'll have a look at the first of the cars. Okay, car number 20, the Jensen Interceptor. From 1971. I don't know of that one. Let's have a look. We're continuing looking at Letty. I think we looked at Letty a little bit last time. Obviously, all the words there for your perusal, if you so desire. The Jensen Interceptor. There we go. It's a fairly standard-looking car. I'm sure it's based on something else, or something else is based on it. It looks very Ford. I don't know why. It just what jumps out at me from that, but. There we go. You can learn about the history of Jensen Motors, if you so desire as well. And, yeah, that's that. It's a car. It's not my favourite of cars, but it will do the job. That's nicer, the newer version. But, yeah. So, let me clear this out of the way. We'll have a look at the car itself in situ. So, the Jensen Interceptor. I like it. I like the colour. I do like this side exhausts as well. They're quite cool looking. There we go. That is the Jensen Interceptor. As with all of these, the paint job is absolutely lovely. No silly details on this one, though. It's all functional stuff. You can see inside a bit, but not a great deal. But I'm sure it's all in there. And that is that. That's another nice model to add to the collection. Nothing outstanding, but perfectly functional. And next up, we have car number 21, the Mazda RX7 FD from 1995. After looking at some more stuff, drifting, learn how to drift. If you want to read the words about that, it's all about accelerating while you're turning and stuff, I believe. I don't know. I've never done it myself, but there we go. Series 7 and 8. FD. Front drive, maybe? I don't know what the FD means. If anybody wants to let me know, you can let me know. I like that. That's quite nice. Yeah, I'll go with that. Quite a nice looking car. Looking at Mazda, collaboration with Ford. All nice stuff. Yeah, that's all fine. It's quite a nice looking motor. I'd have one of them, happily. Yeah. Right, let's clear this out of the way and show you the model itself. Right, this is probably my favourite of this pack, the Mazda RX7. Again, lovely colour. And it's got some nice lines to it as well, very sleek and interesting stuff going on there. All good things, looking lovely. Nothing to really talk about, but nothing to really object to either. That's nice looking. Little spoiler on the back that does the job as well. Big exhaust pipe. And you can see, say, the interior in there just about. There's a bit to see. All nice stuff. I do like that quite a lot. And next we have the Chevy Camaro, the RS 2 Z28 in that one from 1973. After looking at Braga again, I think we did look at him before, but it might have been in the other build series. I don't remember. But there we go. Yeah, the Chevrolet, quite nice looking. Traditional sort of front end. Yeah, it's all right. It does the job. Nothing special. Nothing, particularly crazy or high powered or anything in there. But the first post-war Chevrolet models. Right, interesting. The page there that they don't want me to see. What do they not want me to see? They don't want me to see that. I don't know why. Pretty normal. There we go. Right, let's clear this out of the way and have a look at the model. Time for the Chevrolet. Nice dark green. I do like that colour. That's quite pleasant. Yeah, it does the job. It's a car. It's pretty much a street car, although obviously it can be used for the races in the films. All good stuff. Not any wild paint or detailing on there, but enough to make it look like it should. I do like that. Yeah, not sure about the two-tone bit, but yeah, quite like that. Quite a nice looking car. And the final one today, the Plymouth Roadrunner. This is after looking at the thing. Oh, here comes the Roadrunner. It's all about the Roadrunner this time, apparently. There we go. You can read all of the words there. Cartoon as well, because obviously Roadrunner is from a cartoon. Yeah, again, a fairly average sort of American car. None of these today seem to be particularly, impressive. They'll do the job, but they're all okay. Looking at Plymouth, obviously, as well. Yeah, all good stuff. Right, let's have a look at it. And the final one this pack this month, the Plymouth Roadrunner. Again, it's got a different colour bonnet. I don't know. Is there a reason for that? Does anybody know? Let me know. Is it just that it gets replaced because they put the one with the big air take on it? Did it not have that originally? Did they not match the colour? I don't know. I don't like it. I don't mind, straps and things, but when it's just a different colour panel, it just looks wrong and unfinished to me. But other than that, the rest of the model is obviously as it appears in the film and looks good. Nothing much to see, nothing much to talk about, but it's all an interesting build. All good stuff. So that's another pack done. Join me next time for more of these. Hopefully there'll be something a bit more extravagant, a little bit more supercar-y. But there are other builds happening on the channel in between times, so I shall see you for some of those. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye for now.